अस्मद्गुरुपरम्परायै नमः। श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि। அருள் தரும் ஆரணதேசிகனே எங்கள் தூப்புல் தேவே, வரு கவிதார்க்கிக சிங்கமே வாதியர் வாழ்வருத்தாய், இருகையும் கூப்பி உரைக்கும் இவ்விண்ணப்பமொன்று கேளாய், உருவயனக் கருளாய் எண்ணும் உள்ளம் உன் தொண்டரையே. ध्यायन् कृते यजन्यज्ञैस्त्रेतायां द्वापरेर्चयन्, यदाप्नोति तदाप्नोति कलौ संकीर्त्य केशवम्. These are the verses from the great sage Vyasa. The meaning goes as: the fruit what we get in Krita Yuga by meditation through yoga, in Treta Yuga through fire sacrifices, in Dwapara Yuga through performing archana to idols, can be easily attained just by chanting the divine names of Lord Sriman Narayana in Kali Yuga. And in line with the preaching of Vedavyasa, we are enjoying the divine bliss by chanting Sri Vishnu Sahasranama. And let's now enjoy the slokas 27 and 28 by His merciful grace, and try to save us from the afflictions of Kali Yuga. Asankyeyo prameyatma visishta sishtakrichuchihi siddhartha siddha sankalpa siddhidha siddhi sadhanaha. Asankyeyaha means innumerable. He is innumerable since the hosts of things mentioned above are also numberless. Aprameyatma. Bhagavan is Aprameyatma because he pervades inside and outside the numberless things which are limitless and are too numerous to be grasped one by one. Visishtaha. He is of an exalted nature by himself and has not to depend on anyone else. Sishtakrit. He who makes all persons eminent. Suchihi. By his contact with others, Bhagavan makes them become endowed with auspicious qualities and fit to be with him. Siddhartha. He who is in possession of all desirable things. Siddha Sankalpaha. He of infallible will and determination. Siddhidaha. The bestower of siddhis or superhuman powers. Siddhi Sadhanaha. He who makes the means also as pleasant as the goal. Vrishahi Vrishabho Vishnur Vrishaparva Vrishodaraha Vardhano Vardhamanascha Vivikta Shrutisagaraha. Vrishahi. He who has the day which is dharma, that is auspicious, because the day on which a devotee first approaches the Lord is itself a day of virtue. Vrishabha, he who showers his grace. He pours forth his grace on those who approached him and who are scorched by the fire of samsara. Vishnu, the pervader. He is Vishnu since he pervades all things, showering his grace. Vrishaparva, he who has dharma as steps for his attainment. Vrishodharaha, he who has a righteous belly. Bhagavan has dharma itself for his belly, which can be easily filled by the oblations acquired and offered by his worshippers. Vardhanaha, he who nourishes. He is called Vardhana because, like a mother, he keeps them in his womb and nourishes them. Vardhamanaha, he who grows. He grows as he makes others grow. Viviktaha, he who is unique. All his activities are extraordinary and are superior to those of others in the world. Shrutisagaraha, he who is the sea for the Vedas. Lord Sriman Narayana is pervading everywhere and caring for this world, and this act of him is being enjoyed by Sri Nammalvar in his Thiruvaimozhi as follows. புகழும் நல்வொருவனென்கோ பொருவில் சீர் பூமியென்கோ திகழும் தன் பறவையென்கோ தீயென்கோ வாயுவென்கோ நிகழும் ஆகாசமென்கோ நீள் சுடரிரண்டுமென்கோ இகழ்விலிவ்வனைத்துமென்கோ கண்ணனை கூவுமாறே. Should I say you have matchless fame? Should I say you are the beautiful one unequaled on the earth? Should I say you shine in the cool ocean? Should I say you are hot fire? Should I say you are wind? Should I say you are the sky that covers the earth? Should I say you are the sun and the moon? Should I say you are the everlasting one? What can I call you? Alvar got himself soaked in his all-pervading nature of Sriman Narayana and enjoys like this. Let's all enjoy the merciful names of Lord Sriman Narayana and save ourselves from the ill effects of this Kali Yuga. And let's enjoy more and more on his Nama Vaibhavam. Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana, Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana, Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana.